Hello everyone, today I'm painting this cute heart-shaped box that I made using plaster of Paris. I didn't record the process of making the box because it was my first time trying something like this, and honestly I wasn't sure how it would turn out. It's not perfect. There are bumps and uneven spots, but that's totally fine, and I am still really proud of it. So today we are giving this little box a full makeover. I'm starting with a layer of white paint to smooth out the surface, and then I'm choosing a soft pink shade as the base color, and I think it suits the heart shape perfectly. Once the base coat is done, I decided to add little cherry patterns all over the box. I'm starting by painting small paired heart shapes in red, and once those are dry, I'm adding tiny green leaves. It's such a cute and playful detail, and it really makes the whole box look more lively. After finishing the details, I'm letting everything dry completely, and once it's fully dry, I'll add a layer of varnish to give it a glossy finish and protect the paint. I really enjoyed working on this project, and I hope it inspires you to create something of your own too. It doesn't have to be perfect. What matters is that you made it with love. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy DIYs and art videos.